y'all, welcome back to FLV. I've been warned that this song is deep. I got the lyrics down here on Genius on my phone. I will be looking. Slaughterhouse has been amazing me with some of the songs that I've heard that I never heard of before. Thanks to y'all, the subs, the viewers, man, for bringing me to this album. But I'm here again. Let's check it out. Headphones are going on.
Filthy walk. Still trying to keep my head up. Know you'd rather see me dead. Raindrops keep on falling, so they keep on falling, and they keep on falling, so they keep on falling. Slaughterhouse.
I'm a product of when a nigga mama gives up. Crying laying in the trash with the lid shut. Ain't got no family, my mind is tender. My daddy's invisible, my mom's is Brenda.
Already I'm feeling this song. He's already he mixed that so well. He set that up so well with the scheme when he said he's a product what a mom gives up, crying lying in the trash with the lid shut. Then he brought it down and saying his mom is Brenda. Remember Brenda's having the baby, the Tupac song? That's why Royce is a genius, man. Wow.
Tender, my daddy's invisible, my mom's is Brenda. If I survive, I'ma grow into what society considers trash. The rope is to us. That mean I'm hanging myself by living. The noose is getting murdered. That'll go into prison. My mind's controlled before I learn mind control. What you call living life, I call dying slow. I'm genetically predisposed. The reaper the only thing that can ease my soul. Freezing cold, feeling like I was given life, and if I take it, at least I chose. I'll probably be in heaven when the pain stops. Till then, all I'm hearing is wind and raindrops.
Raindrops in the pillow of my bed.
Oh my gosh, this is a deep song, man. Basically saying, man, was born already with a disadvantage against him. He's saying if he kills himself or used the noose they gave him when he was born, at least he made a choice. Oh my gosh.
Raindrops in the pillow of my bed. Still trying to keep my head up. Know you'd rather see me dead. And the raindrops keep on falling, so they keep on falling, and they keep on falling.
Dear auntie, I still feel your timeless sorrow. Before you died, it's like your body was mine to borrow. Like I jumped in your physical shell while you was going through miserable hell, saying goodbye to tomorrow. Every day it makes me sad, angry, mad. How you was sent to heaven's sacred path, duct taped and gagged, plus raped and stabbed, body draped in blood. What a fate to have, such a pitiful end. I'm popping Ritalin like they Skittles, cause when I sleep I can feel it again and again and again, and it's difficult. Killing is the wickedest biblical sin. I'm talking about mama's identical twin.
That's gotta be tough. That your auntie was murdered that way and you see her every day in your mama. The wickedest sin. Killed and raped.
I can feel it again and again and again, and it's difficult. Killing is the wickedest biblical sin. I'm talking about mama's identical twin. I see your face when I look at her. A reminder of how I've been in the cold since 14 years old. I'll probably be in heaven when the pain stops. Till then, all I'm hearing is wind and raindrops. Rest in peace, cha cha.
Still trying to keep my head up. Know you'd rather see me dead. And the raindrops keep on falling, so they keep on falling, so they keep on falling,
Nah, I ain't moved bricks on a Peter Pan. No father around to teach me how to be a man. We was too hot, didn't know where we would land. Scraping coke on the weeds so niggas didn't see a plant. Alcoholic child, raised off of sugar water. Hit it so you would just thought of how good he was brought up. Coulda, woulda, order, one track mind. They said, man, a mini catch buys a hooker for a quarter. And now I'm writing a book and I push the author. Called The Obvious Poker Face, look a torture. Teach you how to climb your way out that ditch. Then me, all I need is this pen and thick skin.
Growing up with no father, man, that seems like it's the American theme right now, man. Kids growing up without their dads. That's crazy. But raised off sugar water. Wow. Y'all know what sugar water is? This is a deep song, man. Wow.
Torture, teach you how to climb your way out that ditch. Then me, all I need is this pen and thick skin. Being so bright could mean you lived in. As you start trying to figure out a figment, I'd probably be in heaven when the pain stops. Till then, all I hear is wind and raindrops.
Teardrops in the middle of my bed, still trying to keep my head up. Know you rather see me there. The raindrops keep on falling.
Check it out. I'm still waiting on my dad to get back. He went to the store in '84 and I ain't seen him after that. Never single mom's public assistant. The rent wasn't consistent, so they had us back and forth in court in the months of the blizzard. My sneakers leaned, the rubber was missing. No one-on-ones, they always jump me. No brothers and sisters to hold me down. Alone with headphones plugged into a cheap Walkman at 8 tapes. Gunshots at me sleepwalking, I hate waits. A whole lot of crying, police chalking that fake tape. Ambulance never on time, they like a day late. My cousin have to vacate, my best friend since age 8. Sometimes I can't hold them, I kid you not. I get swollen, holding on a tissue box. Somebody get a mop. I'll probably be in heaven when the pain stops. To Lynn, all I'm hearing is wind and raindrops.
These brothers have some rough childhoods, man. Cheap walk. We used to eat tapes. You remember that when your tape recorder used to eat your tapes? Deep song. Can't hear no more of this, man. Rough.
I'm in the middle of my bed, still trying to keep my head up. Know you rather see me there. And the raindrops keep on falling. Till they keep on falling. Till they keep falling. So they keep on falling, and they keep on, and the rain just keep on falling. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow. Deep song, man. All I can say, man, I admire these brothers for going through this kind of lifestyle and getting out of it, going through this pain. It can be hard to get through, but you can get through it. They can, you can. All right, man. Slaughterhouse and Raindrops. Very deep songs. Thanks for the request. Request the reaction, by the way, is FLV. Subscribe. Hit the like button, and we out.
Just like music.